large and loud absence of our colleague. Like the President mentioned in our closed session, we have been able at one time or other to get in touch with her. I have been speaking with her until her illness became quite protracted. May her soul rest in peace. Mr. President, my highly respected and distinguished colleagues, mine has been in the last month